Hey guys, welcome back. Most people dream of earning money online, but the truth is they get lost before they even get started because of too many options, too much noise, and no clear direction. The good news, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. The easiest path is to plug into platforms that are already proven, already trusted, and already paying beginners every single day. So today I'm going to show you the best affiliate marketing platforms that make it possible to earn your first $1,000 online, even if you're just starting from scratch. So I'm using two affiliate marketing platform. One is Clickbank and the other one is Buy Goods. So this is my Clickbank account. So it's very easy to get started with affiliate marketing. So all you need is just sign up with Clickbank and then just go here, affiliate marketplace. I'll just click this, don't show this message again. Take me to the marketplace. Just go to top offers. You will see here the top offers. This is the product. This is under health and fitness. So this is the page 1 of Clickbank. So in this sort results by, make sure it is rank high to low, okay? So you can see what are the top products on the first 3 pages of Clickbank. So this one is Mytolin. So you will see here the average dollar per conversion is 180.81. So if you make a sale promoting this product, then this is the one that you can earn, okay? So as you can see here, this is Mytolin because I found it in the first page of Clickbank and I tried promoting it, and this is the sale that I made. So you can check which product that you want to promote. First is create your Clickbank account. Go to Clickbank Marketplace and choose a product that you want to promote. So let's say I want to promote this Mytolin. So what I will do is I will go to view affiliate page. Just go here, get started now, enter your Clickbank ID. So once you already have your Clickbank ID, let's say this is my Clickbank ID, you can just go and click access affiliate resources. So you will see here, this is your affiliate ID. So all you need is just copy your affiliate ID and just paste it to a safer place. This affiliate ID, you will use this to promote this product. Next, the other affiliate marketing platform that I personally using is Buy Goods. So this is my Buy Goods account. If you already signed up with Buy Goods, then you can just go to campaigns. So this is where you can see the products from Buy Goods. So you can see the categories here. There are beauty, body health, okay? So oral health, more on health product here in Buy Goods. This is the average payout of this product Aquasculpt, and this one is 150, 130. So same thing. So all you need is just choose a product that you want to promote. So for example, if let's say you want to promote this product, just click apply to promote. And if you got approved, you will see here your account. You can just click the product that you want to promote, and here you will see your affiliate link, okay, in your dashboard. This is where Buy Goods will provide you the affiliate link. So all you need is just go and copy this affiliate link. So this is the affiliate link to get a commission from Buy Goods if you made a sale. So just copy your affiliate link and save it to a safer place. If your target is, let me just get a calculator here. So for example, if your target sale is $1,000, and let's say, for example, this one, the commission that I am getting here is CPA, okay? This is cost per action, meaning I am not entitled for any upsell. So this one is a fixed sale. If you get an upsell, sometimes you can get $200, right? But here, I settled with CPA, meaning there's no refund or cashback. Just to give you a simple math. So let's say if your target is to make $1,000, $1,000 divided by how much commission that you will get. So let's say this one is 135. So 135. So I need to generate 7.4, let's say 8 sales, okay, to get this $1,000. Then after choosing a product, the next step is finding the right platform to get traffic. So we will use Facebook. Nobody goes there to buy, right? Why don't we go to Amazon or any e-commerce business? And that's exactly why it works. People aren't expecting ads, they're just scrolling on Facebook. And with the right strategy, we can stop that scroll, grab attention, and turn it into clicks. So I will show you here one of my account. So you can see here, this is my ad and this is the budget that I set. So let's say I'm spending 936 pesos per day. So let me just pull out my calculator here and I'll show you how much is that in US dollar. So that one is 936 peso. Okay, I'm spending $16 per day to get traffic promoting my affiliate product. My CTR here, this R is very low, right? You can see it here. Understand that different ad accounts behaves differently. It doesn't meet my rule of CTR of 7% and my CTR all of at least above 14%. What trumps everything is the sales. That is the most important for me. Only for this unusual ad account, I've generated some sale here. Okay? So you can just do the math on how much you want to make money online doing affiliate marketing. Okay, next, once you already have a platform, a vehicle where to drive your traffic to that affiliate link. So in our case, we are using Facebook paid advertising. You need to have a tracking software. So I personally use Clickmagic. Why you need to have a tracking software? So let me show you the problem here. So let me open one of my Facebook account here. Let's say this is my Facebook account. So you can see here, okay? I will just go here. Where's the purchase? Okay, purchase, you just notice this purchase conversion, okay, because Facebook is keep on changing, right? If I will go here, let's say August 1 to August 31, okay, this is 2005. I will click this update. So you will see here that I ran some ads here, right? So you will see here that I have some ads running. But if you will go here, let's see here. Okay, you will see here on my purchases, there's nothing at all. But if you will go to my here in buy goods, so this one is, let's see, change the date here. We'll go August, okay, August 1 to 31. So it will be the same time frame. Oh, let me just log in here. So if you will see here, I have conversion here in buy goods, right? On Facebook, let me just go back to Facebook. This is for the month of August, right? I don't have any purchase here. So Facebook don't reflect my purchase. That's why I need to use a tracking software. So in my case, I am using Clickmagic. You will see I've got 3 sales, okay? Because this one is, let's see, I think the date here is not congruent. This is August. Okay, let me see. Let's see here, custom range. August 1 to 31. So you will see here for August 1 to 31 that I've got a sale reflected in buy goods. So this is the most important, that you will see your sale here. And if you will see my Facebook account, August 1 to 31, there's no purchases reflected here. It's 0. That is why I need to have tracking software, which is Clickmagic. So I would know if, let's say, this ad set, I know that I got a sale here. I should know what is my next move. Meaning, I need to put more on those ad set that is working and kill those that are not. I hope this makes sense. I need to replicate the same combination in Facebook ads. That's why you need to have your tracking software in place. Otherwise, it's just like you are shooting in the dark if you do not know where is the sales coming from. Now, if you are truly serious to make money online, doing affiliate marketing, whether you want to promote products from Clickbank or from Buygood or from anywhere, Amazon, that will give you a commission if you made a sale, then I have this Udemy course called Affiliate Marketing Clickbank Success Guide. Now, whatever lessons that I put here, this system works. All about Facebook advertising. So it's the same process whether you're using Clickbank or you're using Buygood, or if you want to promote your own product, it's all up to you. Okay? Go and scroll down here and check the contents if this is for you. You can also have a free preview here, free sneak peek of this curriculum. I have here also some important thing that you need to know about why use a proxy. So if you are truly serious on making this work as your own business, then go here. I will just put the link below this video. Here, I also have the Click Magic installation. Let me just double check here. Where is that? Let's see. Ayun. So it's here. Tracking affiliate sales with Click Magic. 9 lectures from setting up your Click Magic project from scratch. Alright? Until the pre-flight check before opening your traffic floodgate. I will even give you a special discount price here, so you can just go and use this Udemy coupon. Enter this Udemy coupon here and click apply to get a discounted price. So I hope this helped, and I wish you all the best for your affiliate marketing business success. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my Clickbank affiliate marketing videos. Clickbank Made Easy will give you the key to generate passive income online so you can travel